Hi, my name is Chris Crafton. I own Temp Power Generator Rentals in Manassas, Virginia, and we carry Subaru Power products and have for the past 2 years. Our customers really like them because they are very dependable, they're quiet, and they're easy to use. We really like the Subaru Power products in our rental fleet. They've proven to be very durable. We had one instance where we had some generators on a truck that were supposed to be on a job site the next day. Unfortunately, one of them came loose and bounced out of the back of the truck and went down a median strip into a ravine. Fortunately, we were able to take the generator back to our shop, and we had it back in use the next day. The 5-year warranty is great. It just gives us another thing to offer our customers to reassure them that the products really are as good as we say they are. To date, we haven't had to file any warranty claims with Subaru. We certainly would recommend the Subaru products. We've carried several brands of generators over the past several years, and the Subarus have really worked excellent and seem to be a great value for the money.